In this video, we're going to build a Gane Sarson data flow diagram in OpenDocs. The process is efficient, flexible, and gives you full control over how your system flows are presented. If you want a version you can reuse across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon next to any node, then select New Component Page. The diagram picker will appear and prompt you to choose the diagram type. Navigate to Diagrams, then select Gane Sarson DFD. You'll enter the editor with a clean canvas, ideal for mapping processes, data stores, and external entities. You can construct the diagram manually or use Create with AI to generate an initial layout. Just a heads up, AI will replace whatever's already on your canvas. Once the draft is generated, refine it however you like. Rearrange elements, rename processes, adjust data flows, and expand the diagram until it accurately represents your system. When everything looks right, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your Gane Sarson DFD is now reusable. You can insert it into any page whenever needed. To add it to a page, open the editor, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Import Existing. Pick your diagram, and it will drop directly onto the page. If you only need the diagram once, you can also create it directly inside the page. Click Insert while editing, choose Diagrams, and select Gane Sarson DFD. The editor opens, and you can build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting point. And of course, you can tweak the AI version however you like. Save and close the editor, and your Gane Sarson DFD will appear on the page.